Imagine thinking you're making the right financial decisions, only to find out that many of the principles you've trusted are nothing more than myths. In today's eye-opening video, we're revealing 10 financial myths that are secretly sabotaging your financial success. Don't miss out as we expose these misconceptions and show you how to take control of your financial future with the truth. One of the biggest myths is that you need a lot of money to start investing. This belief deters many from entering the investment world, but it's not true. Nowadays, numerous investment platforms allow you to start with as little as $5. According to a 2024 report by the Investment Company Institute, over 50% of new investors began with less than $1,000. With options like micro-investing apps and low-cost ETFs, you can start building your wealth without needing a large sum of money up front. Another widespread myth is that credit cards are bad for your finances. While it's true that misuse of credit cards can lead to debt, they aren't inherently harmful. Used responsibly, credit cards can offer rewards, build your credit history, and provide purchase protection. Experian data reveals that responsible credit card use can boost your credit score by an average of 25 points within 6 months. The key is to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid unnecessary interest charges. Many people believe that paying off your mortgage early is the best financial strategy. However, with historically low mortgage interest rates, it may be more advantageous to invest extra funds elsewhere. A 2023 study by the Harvard Joint Center for Housing Studies found that investing in diversified assets often yields higher returns compared to the savings from paying off a low-interest mortgage early. It's crucial to evaluate your personal financial situation and investment opportunities before deciding to pay off your mortgage early. There's also the myth that you should be debt-free before you start investing. While reducing high-interest debt is important, waiting until you're completely debt-free to begin investing could be a missed opportunity. A 2024 report by Vanguard showed that investing modest amounts while paying off debt can lead to significant long-term gains due to compound interest. Balancing debt repayment with regular, small investments can accelerate your journey to financial stability. Another common misconception is that saving for retirement is only for the wealthy. In reality, retirement savings are crucial for everyone, regardless of income level. The US Department of Labor emphasizes that starting to save early, even with small contributions, can significantly benefit from compound interest. Automatic payroll deductions make it easier to contribute consistently, helping you build a solid retirement fund over time. The idea that renting is always a waste of money is also misleading. Renting can be a strategic choice, depending on your financial situation and lifestyle. A 2023 survey by Zillow found that renting can be more cost-effective in high-cost housing markets, allowing renters to save and invest the difference. Home ownership involves additional costs such as maintenance, property taxes, and insurance that renters avoid. Not all debt is detrimental to your financial health. Some types of debt, like student loans or mortgages, can be considered good debt if they contribute to long-term financial growth. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York's 2023 report indicates that strategic use of certain types of debt can help build wealth and improve credit scores, provided it's managed responsibly. Another myth is that you don't need an emergency fund if you have insurance. While insurance covers many unforeseen events, it doesn't replace the need for an emergency fund. The National Endowment for Financial Education recommends having an emergency fund of 6 months' worth of expenses to handle unexpected costs such as job loss or medical emergencies. Insurance helps, but an emergency fund ensures you're prepared for life's financial surprises. Investing in stocks is often seen as too risky, but this is a misconception. Historically, a diversified stock portfolio has outperformed other investment options over the long term. A 2024 report by the S&P Dow Jones Indices shows that the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of about 10% over the past 50 years. Diversifying your investments and maintaining a long-term perspective can help mitigate risk and enhance returns. Finally, the belief that achieving financial freedom requires a high income is misleading. Financial independence is more about smart money management than the size of your income. A 2024 study by the Financial Planning Association found that effective budgeting, saving, and investing are key to financial success, regardless of income level. With the right strategies, anyone can work towards financial freedom. By debunking these financial myths, you can make more informed decisions and take control of your financial future. Knowledge is power, and understanding the truth behind these common misconceptions can lead to better financial health and opportunities. If this video has been helpful and you want to stay updated with more financial tips and strategies, join our financial newsletter for free. We provide valuable insights and resources to help you make smarter financial decisions. Click the link in the description to subscribe and take the next step towards financial empowerment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content that helps you achieve your financial goals.